Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I have another video for you guys. So this one is another question and answer series. This one deals with unboxings. So on the Chanel Facebook group, there was a recent question that somebody posted asking, what's the deal with these unboxings? I don't know why people do them, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, and so I thought, because I do a lot of unboxings on my channel, I just wanted to basically share my views of why I like to do unboxings and why I like to watch unboxings from other people. So one obvious thing is that I like to do unboxings in front of a camera, because if something is wrong or something is missing from your package, you basically have proof that it was either missing, or if there was something. I have seen it before where somebody unboxed a Chanel, and this is a wallet on chain. They saw that there was a cut straight through the leather, and you can tell that they unboxed it because all the tape was all intact and everything, and they were the first ones to basically tear it open, excuse me. And it's that proof that the person had that they did not alter the item themselves, or they did not damage the item themselves. And in a previous video that I had done, so in my Chanel haul, I think it was the second video that I made for my green items, I opened the box that Lauren, aka Style via Lauren on YouTube and Instagram, she actually watched my video and saw that the item that I had purchased from her from Rue Cambon in Paris did not include the care booklets. And so she contacted me after that, and this is a sign of a really good personal shopper, or just a person that you purchase things from, is that she noticed that there was not the why am I losing my mind here? The care booklets. And so she contacted me and asked if I wanted her to send one to me, because she had a ton of them. Even though the store did not put the care booklets in there, she took it upon herself to offer me a care booklet, and I said yes please, because even though I do have a ton of items, I usually just have one care booklet per item. And so yeah, I do not have an extra one. And let's say I do end up trying to resell that item, I wanted to have, the full set, which means, well, minus the receipt, because usually you don't get that. You have the box, the authenticity card, the felt dust bag, and usually you also have the the price tags. But these items in Europe, they don't give you that. Anyway, so yeah, it was really nice of her to offer that for me, and I said yes please, and so I should be expecting it in the mail anytime now. Another thing with unboxings though that I personally like is that I get to share, well, when I do them myself, I get to share my my new purchase with you guys, and usually people like it. And I like I'm not showing off. I like to share this experience with you guys, because yeah, I like it myself personally. And for people that unbox things that I would not personally purchase, like the current Chanel jumbos. I know Leo Lion LV, she's getting a bunch of these, you know, Chanel bags. And, you know, go check out her channel and look at her unboxings because they're amazing. But I personally would not buy them. And so I'm sharing in her experience with these unboxings. And I look at it like, you know, she's spending the money, and so I don't have to. I mean, I don't get to use the bags myself, but, you know, I think the experience in itself of unboxing something, you know, that's a very, you know, fun feeling, I think. And I, you know, have that feeling for anybody who does unboxings. I mean, there are people that just don't get it and don't like them, and that's when, or that's your cue to basically click out and go to the next video, because we're not forcing you to watch these videos, and you don't have to stay. And so it's your prerogative if you want to you know, stick around. But one thing that I do not like is when people watch the video in its entirety and leave a nasty comment on just any video in general, but also for these unboxing videos, because they think, oh, you're showing off, whatever. But that's when it's my cue to go in and click delete on that comment, because my channel is not about negativity. It's about sharing the love and you know, the excitement with purchasing and just fashion and luxury, and some things that I wouldn't buy myself. I'm happy whenever somebody else you know, buys it. And another thing is that having these unboxing videos or these collection videos, just in general, I think they're a good thing to have, especially when you're claiming them on your homeowner's insurance or renter's insurance or anything like that. So it's a good up-to-date sort of document, or, you know, evidence that you have that you did have these items, and so God forbid your house is broken into and stuff is stolen, you have proof that you did have these items. And I know there are other kinds of videos out there that deal with unboxings and stuff like that. So one thing I don't really understand, and I have been, some people have commented to me before that I have a soothing voice and they like listening to my voice, I've also had the suggestion that I should do some ASMR. Now, what does ASMR stand for? Let me Google that real quick. So ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, and it's usually videos that deal with sound, with like tearing apart the ribbon of a box, or, you know, crumpling some paper, or ruffling, you know, the dust bag, and clicking and unclicking the lock of a bag, or things like that. But I just don't really understand those kinds of videos. I mean, no offense to the ASMR community, but I would definitely like to have some people like comment down below as far as that is concerned. I mean, I know with these ASMR videos there's not a lot of excitement. Maybe these people who have been, you know, commenting on my video saying that I should do ASMR is because I have a boring voice. I don't know. You know, you tell me. But yeah, if you have any comments related to what people enjoy out of ASMR. I'd be interested in hearing that, because in ASMR also they have like they get in front of the camera or in front of the microphone and like whisper, and yeah, I just don't understand it. So yeah, please educate me. But yeah, I just, in general, I love unboxing videos and I love doing them because it's all around a lot of fun. And if you don't like it, just click out. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and yeah, stay tuned. So another person has told me that I should do like a question and answer sort of series, and it is going towards that, because whenever I have a question, I have more to say than just wanting to type things out. I decided to do a video on it. And so this is one of those videos, and so whenever I do have another question where I have a lot more to say, I'll definitely make another video for it. So if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer, please leave them down below on this video or any of my videos, because I do, you know, see each and every one of my comments and I try to reply, or, you know, click the love button on every one of them. So yeah, just ask questions if you're curious to know what I think about it. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.